This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the cryptos, in particular Bitcoin, for October 28th, 2019. We can see the market is called slightly down for this day. Let's see how things are going to be shaping up, and we're going to be taking a look at the daily chart and also be taking a look at the 4-hourly chart. So let's go to the charts here, and we can see again for October 28th, 2019, Bitcoin is called down, trading at about 9,380, down about 2%. Let's take a look at that daily chart, and we can see it's slightly down for the day for sure. And we can see this goes back to the break, as you can see on the blue line, giving us a good indication where we broke down previously with the red arrow there, coming off the highs, and now the same area on the RSI is looking like it is becoming resistance. Now, we can even go back a little bit farther than that, and we can draw a line where we see the break of the RSI right here. And that break, as you can see, does confirm the previous line we drew and gives us that closing high on a daily basis. We haven't been back to those daily closing highs, as you can see, and we can take that information. Keep in mind that high or the RSI break was at about 13,000. We can draw a line there, and again, the line is confirmed very well, because based on the uniformity principle, every time you tag that line with uniform activity, you can see we've been getting a reversal. And right now we are seeing signs of a reversal based on this daily chart. So that's how you can use that for swing trading. Of course, we know if the market can clear that line and move above it, then that does improve the chances of Bitcoin and the cryptos moving higher. In other words, we can set the recent daily closing high as a level to watch for a potential breakout. That level is 9557.08. So a breakout above that level is what the bulls want to see. Otherwise, right now, it looks like the RSI is predicting that this next meaningful swing trade is going to be for a movement lower. Now, we can also take a look at the 4-hourly. And on the 4-hourly, we see that coming off this break. So let me draw that line. We can see that if we take the break right there on the RSI, we can generate a line that can give us good guidance. Again, on a daily closing, on a 4-hourly closing high at about 10,800, that's where the RSI broke down. We haven't been back to those levels. Now, drawing that line, which is the Muathe uniformity line, my own method, take a look at where we broke down with a reversal on the 4-hourly, double top rejection here before the recent pullback, and now we are back below that line. So what that tells us is that the stage is set for a pullback now that we are trading below that black line, or what I call the Muathe uniformity line. Again, in conclusion, go back to that daily chart. As we just saw, we know that the RSI is giving us a line of resistance right there. We know that if the market is going to move higher, we can set a breakout alert for 9557.08. A breakout above that level is what the bulls want to see. Otherwise, for now, again, just to confirm from a swing trade perspective on a small time frame trading, the Muathe uniformity line is giving us the indication that the next meaningful direction is for movement lower, as we've seen recently with pullbacks on this black line. So that's the stage. That's how things are set up. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Links are gonna be in the description of this video should you want to learn more about the methods discussed here, especially if you want to trade for swing trade opportunities. Peace and blessings. I see.